Wow, boy. Wow. I'm gonna put some effects and shit with this. I'm gonna slow it down so I can see it better. This shit is deep, man. This is creepy as fuck. I ain't never in my life seen this before. They just riding this one cloud, man. Never. This is just like straight ongoing. I ain't never seen lightning like this before. And think about it, it's not making no noise. You can hear a real slight rumble, you see? I mean, you know, like a low rumble. This is wild, man. I ain't never in my life seen this before. Look at that. It's just riding this cloud. Now it's above me. It's just riding this cloud, man. Wow. This is my first time seeing stuff like this, yo. I ain't never in my life seen this before. Now it's like they stopped right above me. They right here. Where the hell is this coming from, man? Oh, that's right. That's these fake clouds and shit people talking about, huh? These man-made clouds doing all this shit, huh? People be tripping, man. Look at that, man. I went into the kitchen and everything was, it was like a strobe light and shit, man. That's what caught my attention. Damn, that was shot straight across. Oh, wow. I'm starting to smell burning shit. These motherfuckers are kind of low now, y'all. You hear that? Can you hear that? It's like real light thundering. This is amazing. This is amazing. I wonder if anybody capturing this. I'm about to cut this show. Wow. I am literally getting all this energy, man. This is a trip, man. I can feel it in my feet. Yeah, I can. I can feel this shit in my feet, man. think I should get up out this grass with my feet? Yeah, I think I should. Man, this is heavy. This is some heavy shit right here. It sounds like it sounds like trains coming, you know? But it's the same pitch. It don't sound like it's going like, you know, like at a distance or something. It's like it's the same whispering, rumbling sound and pitch. What's up, Gray? What's going on out here, man? You see all this shit happening, man? Ain't nobody seeing this shit? Yes, you see this, Gray? I ain't never seen this before. This is new to me. Yeah, it is. Yeah, man. It's in this one cloud right here. Yeah. I'm about to go. It's getting closer to my house. Watch out, Gray. Damn, man. Sorry about that, dude. Told you to watch out. Well, I told you. Damn. Look at that, man. That is some creepy ass shit. This shit is creepy, man. This is right over my home, man. Damn. I wish I could share with y'all how I'm feeling right now. But it's I can't call it, man. Anyway, y'all, I'm out.